Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add friends in Marvel Rivals. So all you have to do is simply launch the game on your Xbox or on your PC or on your PS5 and then get to this homepage. And then from here, simply click on this social icon that at the top right corner, select it, and then you should see this menu appear. Now, for instance, if you have that name of that particular player, all you have to do is click on the enter name search bar and then type in their name. So let's type in a name, a random name. Let's try again. Let's try that one more time. Then once you find that particular player, simply select on them, and then you should see this menu appear. All you have to do is find the add friend option and select it, and that particular friend request will be sent to that particular player. Additionally, for people on console, for the console users, there's another option called friends on console. You should see it here next to the request. There's a friends on console option. So here it lists all the friends that are currently playing that particular game. So for instance, if you have a lot of friends and one of them is playing that game, you can simply find them, select on them, and then select add friend. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.